Let's make a start. It's Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a daily routine that you enjoy. Please, you can start.
I will describe my daily routine. I get up early in the morning. After prayer, I do walk, and after walk, I start. After walk, I get ready. After walk, I ready my breakfast. I ready get my.
I prepare my
I
breakfast.
I prepare my breakfast, and after free my daily routine, use social media. I have online business on I have online business on Instagram, and I use this app, and I feel very fresh when I use Instagram. And in this time I talk with my clients in different ways, and this time is very enjoyable for me. This time is very enjoyable for me when when I free my when I free my daily routine works. This time very enjoyable for me, and I talk many.
Okay, thank you so much. Asha, you misunderstood the topic, right? The topic was describe our daily routine. So you should have focused on one daily routine. It
Okay.
can be like using social media, only social media. But you
Okay.
described your full day routine. That
Okay.
is not the topic. The
Okay.
topic is describe our daily routine. For example, I go for morning walk. That is my one daily routine. Okay,
Yes.
so I need to talk about only morning walk,
Okay.
right? Not the full day routine and all that stuff. Okay,
Okay.
so try to understand the topic well, and then you can elaborate on
Okay.
that. Thank you so much.